Greetings to everyone. Guineas and Greens is an initiative to share information on a delightful blend of DIY crafts, pet care and plant care. Here you can find videos on DIY home decor tutorials, easy and beautiful crafts, cute pet projects and aesthetic decors using indoor plants. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast, a new pet parent or a plant lover, this channel is for you as we help you nurture creativity, spread love to your pets, and cultivate lushy greens in your home. So, let's dive into the world of creativity and be a part of our channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the Guineas and Greens family. Come and let's craft, nurture and grow together. And don't forget to be sustainable and be creative.